Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl V again, and tonight I am going to try out these mac and cheese, and also I have some Popeye's chicken breast and biscuits. So come join me as I just try these mac and cheese cups out that I found at Walmart over the weekend, and I want to try each and every one of them. I've already cooked them in the microwave, so I just covered them back up so that the water would kind of soak up the pasta. As you can see, this one looks pretty good. This is bold and cheesy Cheeto mac and cheese. So that one looks pretty good. And you just warm these up in the microwave. Here is another one, Cheeto mac and cheese cheesy jalapeno flavor, and it smells pretty good. That's the second one I want to try tonight. And also we have the Cheetos mac and cheese flaming hot flavor. This one don't have a smell. Oh, it really don't smell like anything, but that is how it looks. So come and join me as I try these out. I also have my Popeye's chicken. I only really like their chicken breast, so I grabbed 2 of those tonight. And some of their famous biscuits. Yes, and I have here the sauce that I like to use to put on my chicken and some honey. Here's the honey for my biscuits. And Popeye's has this sauce that's Bayou Buffalo. And I like to add this on my chicken and dip my chicken skin inside of these little containers. So let's get ready and start. Don't never forget to say your grace and be thankful for your food. So let's start here. I want to eat some of this chicken first. This is how the sauce looks if you've never seen it. It's like a red, kind of like buffalo sauce. It's really good. See? Let's try these mac and cheese out. Let's see what this is about. So I'm going to try the bold and cheesy first. It's still steaming a little bit. Got the spiral noodles in there. Check to see this. That one tastes pretty good. Really good. I like that one. I would buy that one again. I like that one. It tastes just like, you know, like mac and cheese out the box that you would put the little powder in and mix it, you know, after you boil the noodles. The Kraft, basically. Nothing really special about that one. Let me put some of this sauce in here. And this sauce, it got a little kick to it. This buffalo, Bayou Buffalo from Popeye's, it got a little quick kick to it. It's kind of spicy. Let's go with the next mac and cheese. I have some, you know, I got to go to that Wawa's and get them drinks. Wawa's got the best drinks. Raspberry lemonade. That's really good. Okay, let me get off this chicken. I'm gonna try this one now. Okay. Oh, it's starting to thicken up. You see that? This one has a really good. It smells so good. I don't know if you ever had the Cheeto jalapeno Cheetos. It smells like those chips. It has a jalapeno kind of smell, cheesy, and it smells kind of cheesy too. It looks really cheesy compared to the first one. Okay, let's try it out. They still steaming hot. Ooh, got a little kick to it. It's creamy, very creamy, and it has a. Woo, it's a little spicy. It tastes like a jalapeno in there, like some jalapeno juice in there. I couldn't even get it out. It was so spicy. Woo. Yeah. I like this one so far. So far, this is a winner. The cheesy one. The bold and cheesy. So far, this one is the winner. I can eat this with my chicken all day. I don't think I would do that. Still hot. Steaming hot. Yeah, I don't know. I don't like this one too much. It's got my nose running. I don't know if it's something I'll do all the time. I don't know. I don't think a lot of people even like those chips, the jalapeno chips. Because I buy the kids the bags with the different varieties, and they always leave that flavor in the bag last. That's their last option, so. Tonight, that's my last option so far. Because I got to try the flaming hot. But let me try to eat some of this biscuit. Bring some of that heat down. Y'all see I put that, put honey on their biscuit. You see it? Ooh, I'm getting it on the table. Ooh. It make you want to dance. Yes. Can't go without that honey for them biscuits. Make it want to good. I bet it's good. I'm making a mess. I'm making a mess over here. Okay. Let me eat a little bit more of my chicken, then we'll move on to the next mac and cheese. I think it's just the Popeyes overall got me wanting to dance because I like Popeyes. All right. I always get the snack box So you dip that chicken in there like that. Get that leakage on there. With the 2 fingers dirty. And 2 right there. I always get the snack box. Because that's really all I need. And I get the 2 breasts instead of the wing or the leg. I always just get 2 breasts and I be good. See that chicken? Finger licking good. Okay, let's go to this one before it get cold. We're gonna go with the flaming hot, which so many people like to eat these chips. So let's check to see what this mac and cheese about tonight. You see that? They all have the spiral noodles in it. Whew. I don't know, because that jalapeno had me burning a little bit. Let's check it out. This one don't smell too good. Ugh. I don't like it. It's weird. Very weird. I don't even want to finish going in. Ugh. It has a little spice to it, but it's just... it's weird. I can't even explain exactly what's going on in my mouth right now. It's just nasty. It's just nasty. Nope. Tonight, this one won. Ugh. It gives you real weird vibes, that one. I don't want to mess with that no more. Yeah, I'm going to stick with this one and eat this one with the rest of my chicken. I think I like this one more because it's like regular mac and cheese out the box, and it don't give you weird vibes, and it has a creamy texture to it. But this one, it has that creamy texture, but it's just nope. I don't think I want to try those again. I'm gonna stick with my first one here. The creamy, the bowl. What was it? The bowl and cheesy. These were on the aisle at the Walmart where they sell the mac and cheese, and I seen these, so I was like, ooh, let's try it out. Yeah, that one go good with my chicken. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to finish all this chicken tonight. I'm gonna try to finish this biscuit. Let me get another honey. Just put that honey on there. See that? Put that honey on there like that. Ooh. Put that honey on there. Yes. Yeah, that's good. Yes. I'm getting full. So I'm gonna stop here. But if you try these, let me know what flavor you like the most. So far, this is my favorite. These are the only three that I've seen. I don't know if it's any other flavors that exist, but I enjoyed trying them. But I'm gonna stick with that one, the first one that I tried, and save that for later. The other ones I don't know too much about. Maybe the kids would want to try it. But thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like. Don't forget to comment. And don't forget to subscribe to this awesome channel. And so I hope everyone have a good evening. And comment below if you like putting honey on your biscuits. Thank you for watching. Bye.